Uh-oh, Cran. What? Cran, you made him sad. At this age, he's gonna pout until he won't even talk to you anymore. Oh, when, that little baby with his pouting. Are you gonna put both of his sisters in timeout? Right. Only one of his sisters touched Teddy. What are you going to make them do in timeout? I got it! I will make them clean the bathroom because no one cleans it. She had such a bad time. She will never want to go again. Ew, gross. The bathroom smells like the bathroom. Be quiet, she's coming. Hi, Antigone.
It's Antigone.
Oh, potato, tomato, tomato.
Congratulations, you're learning your English.
It's not my fault I have speech problems. Do you remember or do you not remember the times you touched my poor precious Teddy?
I do not recall.
Oh, like right. You moved him from his precious throne, and I saw it with my own eyes.
Fine, what you gonna do to me?
I'm gonna make you clean the bathrooms.
No, oh now you're mocking me. Why do you mock me when you know that I might not return from the unbearable stench of that horrid bathroom? I am now forced to face every kid's nightmare alone.
As far as we concerned, we bear no guilt. Come on, troublemaker.
Those words mean trouble indeed.